France and Germany to set its requirements for a future main battle tank. France and Germany to deliver by early next year key military requirements for a future heavy tank, said the two chairmen of the Franco-German joint venture for land weapons. The French and German defense ministers have given political pledges to back a new tank, dubbed Main Ground Combat System, and New Generation Artillery System. Industry leaders are waiting for the French and German army chiefs of staff to set out requirements that will shape the programs, which may lead to a consolidation of European land weapons for industry and lead to the military sharing the same tank and artillery. That main ground combat system will be the successor to the Leclerc and Leopard 2 tanks, the main battle tanks for the French and German armies, respectively. An entry into service is expected in 2035. Much hangs on whether the two army chiefs of staff will agree on a common requirement that would allow French and German industry to design, develop and build the same tank. There are signs of an eagerness for the requirements, which could open a new chapter. They need something now, Horn said. Research and development for the tank will likely require some €1 billion, US $1.2 billion, over 10 years, with the government partially funding the work. There will be new concepts, new technology, protection, communications, more artificial intelligence and robotization. There will be a new gun, with caliber size weighed against mobility and protection. A maximum weight is seen as 70 tons. The tank will likely be linked to robots through automatization. There will also be a need to cut the cost of spares and logistical support. Work on the new artillery project is similar to that on the tank, with active discussion on the common indirect fire system, which is on a similar time scale, around 2035. That critical list of requirements launches an iterative process with companies studying the operational needs and responding. At the Berlin Air Show in April, it was reported the French and German defense ministers said a German company would lead the new tank program. German industrial leadership was seen as opening the door to Rheinmetall. KNDS has all the competencies needed to be the system house for MGCS. Both Nexter and KMW have that. We are French-German. We are able together to manage the program and to make a joint team, and also to respect the decision of the two countries to have a German leadership. There were no problems inside the group, he added. We are as French as we are German. French Armed Forces Minister Florence Parly referred to the planned artillery in her June 2018 speech at Eurosatory. In her remarks, she said work by KNDS on the tank and gun projects can be interpreted as signs of cooperation with Germany. This industrial partnership speaks much of the ambition we have with Germany, with which we share programs which will be of structural importance for our armies and the future of our defense. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.